Emotional intelligence with Achievemor. Emotional intelligence, also called EQ, is the ability to be aware of and manage emotions in relationships. It's a pivotal factor in personal and professional success. IQ will get you in the door, but it's your EQ, the ability to connect with others and manage the emotions of yourself and others, that will determine how successful you are in life. We have all worked with and listened to brilliant people. Some of them were great and, well, some were not. The actions of the negative, the serene, and those in between reveal more than they realize. But the truly extraordinary people who inspire and make a difference do this by connecting with people personally and emotionally. What differentiated them was not their IQ but their EQ. In this one-day workshop, participants will learn what it means to have emotional intelligence, apply its methodology in their personal and professional relationships, and how it affects our emotional and physical health. We teach you practical techniques to understand, use, and appreciate the role of emotional intelligence in the workplace. We explain the different emotions, how to manage them, and create a personal vision statement. A typical question the trainer may ask is, "Okay, everyone, can you identify specific emotions in others?" In many cases, the room goes silent. Unfortunately, most cannot, but we will uncover the ways to do so. Participants will spend the early part of the day building relationships and discussing what they'd like to learn and experience during the workshop. In this process, delegates will discover that when they open up to others, they create opportunities to learn and enhance awareness surrounding their learning objectives. How about the emotional intelligence blueprint? Your trainer will take you deeper into its foundation. Delegates will cover skills and concepts behind identifying, understanding, and managing emotions. Your instructor will train the participants to visualize their plans and transfer their achievable goals to paper. Delegates will explore their feelings by looking at their principles, values, strengths, unlocking hidden talents, obstacles they have not been able to overcome, and building better relationships. As we wrap up the course, delegates will have an opportunity to ask questions, fill in an action plan, discuss what they gained from the workshop, and how to apply what they learned. Our world has changed, and so too have people. So first, understand the causes and build bridges of empathy and understanding with those around you. Don't wait any longer. Refresh your skills by purchasing this emotional intelligence workshop and learn to achieve more. Urgency is at our core.